Hello everybody and welcome to FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you how to use a nested for statement using FreeBASIC. In our last tutorial, I already teach you using the for loop statement. If you missed to watch the previous tutorial, just click the link in the description below. So in for loop statement, we declare a variable named I as integer and it counts from 1 to 10. Then also it will print the variable named I. The nested for loop means when you nest two loops, the outer loop takes control of the number of complete repetitions of the inner loop. Sometimes the outer loop will count horizontally and the inner loop will print vertically. To use a nested for loop, we will type another loop in the first for loop statement. To use a nested for loop, we will type another for loop in the first for loop statement. Like for j as integer equals 1 to 10. Then press enter, then type print, and then multiply it by j, so that it multiples the first and the second for loop. Then type the semicolon behind the variable name j. And then try to save and run the program. As you can see in the output, it counts prints horizontally. Let's close this program, and then when you remove the semicolon behind the j and then we run again, so it prints vertically. So our goal here is to print the multiplication table from 1 to 10. So let's close the output, and then we'll remain the semicolon behind the j. Then between the next, just type only print. We're balancing the horizontal and vertical counts. So let's save and run and see what happens. As you can see, it prints multiplication table. So that's how you declare nested for loop using FreeBASIC. And I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.